Vacation is over and I'm back here in the shop, and I have a truck load of parts getting ready to be moved in and set up because we're going to get to work on Black Betty behind me. A lot of upgrades in the works, and we're going to go through that. While I was on vacation, I ordered a slew of parts because basically we knew that Black Betty had an issue. The throwout bearing was making a ton of noise. The torque tube sounded like it just had a bunch of garbage in it. So I was expecting this to go bad at some point. Sure enough, we found the weak point in the car, so ordered a bunch of parts while I was on vacation, and guess what? They all got here. And so the back of the truck is loaded up. We got a ton of parts in the back of the truck. Get Betty on the lift and get to work. We're gonna load up this red cart with all the parts and take it into the shop in one shot, hopefully. Maybe a little bit more than one shot. We're gonna take this one in by itself. I know what this is. This is a used rack and pinion. We have two rack and pinions. I bought one that's a turn one. I have another one that's probably gonna be a soon to leak. Hopefully the turn one won't leak anytime soon, but I do have one that is ready to go to turn one to be rebuilt. At the moment, I don't think it leaks. I bought it used. The turn one obviously is rebuilt, ready to go in the car. Really nice unit. The one that's in the car leaks. So we're gonna take the one that is in the car out. We have to ship it to turn one, and then the guy that I bought the rebuilt turn one from, I have to have it shipped to him after turn one redoes the one that's in our car right now. So that's a cool thing when you have a bunch of racing buddies, help each other out. He had one ready to go. He's like, Chris, I'll just ship it to you. You take yours out, send it to turn one, get them to rebuild it, have them ship it to me, done deal. Pretty killer to have that kind of network and be able to reach out to people and have them help you out when needed. All right, Team Tick. There's some good stuff in this box. This cart's probably one of the better things I've bought at Harbor Freight. That's pretty cool. Ram clutches. You can't go wrong with an upgraded flywheel, especially a light one. This thing's gonna zoom up now, get some more RPM a little bit sooner. It's like Jenga. It's the parts Jenga. Let's head inside with this stuff and see what we got. This is gonna be our stand. We're gonna have to assemble so that we can support the front of the car. I think it looks heavily used. Only the best. And it's missing everything else. That's the only thing about ordering parts is sometimes what you order doesn't come in the way you expected. This is meant to support the front of the car when we have it up on the lift, and we're gonna drop the lower transaxle on the rear end and everything out of the car so we can get to the clutch. And I need this. And that's all that came in. And it's supposed to be a whole base and a jack part and everything else. Now we gotta wait for the replacement to come in. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get started putting some of the stuff together. This is our transmission jack. And then for later, I ordered an oil drain catch for when we're on the lift. We can use that to catch our fluids that we drain out of the car when we change out fluids. I might push this off to the side because we were super busy trying to get all this other stuff done. That way I can focus on what's most important right now, which is getting this thing mechanically 100% once again. So we're gonna push that off to the side and focus getting on this transmission jack put together so that we can get underneath it and lower the back of the car down. Everyone meet Jack. Crucial part of this operation here is useless without a handle. You can see on the table, we've got our ATI super damper. We've got new valve springs, new retainers, new keepers. We've got a new damper bolt, ARP, and a new steering line, and then we have a host of stuff outside. And then I'm gonna go to the whiteboard behind me and make a list because we have a special guest coming in tomorrow, Jake, mobile mechanic here in Carolina Beach. Great guy, knows how to do stuff quick and efficient, and he does a great job. So he's gonna come in tomorrow, he's gonna help us out and be a part of our team here and getting Black Betty all situated and put back together and make progress, get this thing up on the lift, get some wheels knocked off of it, and hopefully make some progress before it gets too late tonight. Hydraulic transmission jack assembled and ready to go, so now it's time to get to work on Black Betty. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break loose all the lug nuts for the wheels so we can rip the wheels off it once we get on the lift. And I'm also going to do the axle nuts in the back because those sometimes can be a bear to get off. We already replaced one axle on the other side while I have this all torn apart. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the axle on the other side because why not? Might as well. And then I'll have a spare if I need it. And we're already there. It's one of those things where you just kind of got to fix it. So I'm gonna go ahead and break loose both nuts before we put it on the lift because once we get on the lift, it gets a lot more difficult. So we'll give it a shot. Here we go.